Are you setting up assets the right way in Google Ads? Most people don't realize that by default, assets like sitelinks, callouts, and structured snippets are applied at the campaign level. But if you're running multiple ad groups, like we are in this HVAC digital marketing campaign, you might be missing out on better relevance and higher performance. Let me show you why and how to fix it. So in this HVAC digital marketing campaign, we have two different ad groups. One focused on digital marketing services, and another specifically for Google Ads management. If we use campaign level assets, all site links and callouts will be the same for both ad groups, even though they target different needs. So here's how to add ad group level assets to make your ads more relevant. What we're going to do is on the side, we're going to go down to here under the assets drop down and click on assets. Then we're going to click the plus button and let's create some callouts today. And here you can see there's a drop down that says add to. And so we're going to switch this from campaign to ad group. And then here you can select your ad group or ad groups that you want the asset to apply to. So let's select digital marketing. Right, then we would fill out this and then we would click save. And then we're done. So if you're running search ads for HVAC or any other niche, making your assets as relevant as possible is key. Use ad group level assets to improve quality score, click-through rates, and conversions. If you want help optimizing your Google Ads campaigns, visit zbppc.com or book a call using the link below. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more Google Ads tips.